You can upload a file to create an order with up to 500 line items. To upload an order from an Excel file, click Quick Order, then click Upload an Order. In an Excel file, use column A to list manufacturer part numbers or RSL part numbers, and column B to list order quantities. Save your file in a selected folder. On the Order Upload page, click Browse, then select your file. If your first row contains descriptions for the column, click First Row as column headings, then click Upload Order. Once the upload is complete, all items will be added to the cart. Any items not added to the cart will be displayed.